Creating art is a way to express ourselves, and it can be a doorway to feeling joy, connection, and peace. Couldn't we all use a little more love at home, peace in our hearts, and inspired wonder? Creating rock art with backyard pebbles brings us back to center, that calm place where creativity bubbles up and stress melts away. Join us for online rock art camp on your schedule at your own pace. Art and mindfulness rolled into one. It is joyful play with purpose. Our children thrive as they discover their own inner light, strength, and beauty, all through Rock Art Camp, using nature's art supplies, sticks, and pebbles. Be the hero at home and let your kids join us today for our online Rock Art Camp to celebrate the simple things in life, to play, have fun, serve each other, create, and reconnect to all things good and happy. I'm Patty.
And I'm Leah.
Now, we are your camp directors for Rock Art Camp. Kids have a ton of fun, and we help them calm their minds and be their very best selves. We will teach them all about how to make amazing, fun things with the common rocks and pebbles in their own backyards, and we'll teach them some mindfulness things and just how to relax and have joy in life.
We're so excited to see you at Rock Art Camp.
Hey, see you there.
Bye.
Bye.